It was a misty day throughout most of the Susquehanna Valley with some organized precipitation falling mainly through southern Adams, the central parts of York County into Lancaster County, almost a half of an inch there. Spotty areas of freezing rain in northern Lancaster and also areas up to the north and west of Harrisburg, though everybody was misty, and those misty conditions will continue overnight with rain and snow showers and steady temperatures as we stay right in the low to mid 30s range. And tomorrow will also be about at that temperature with scattered snow showers about grassy, nothing more than a grassy coating in the morning. It's going to be a chilly morning, which will lead to actually a colder afternoon as our wind picks up a little bit and our temperatures again move down a little bit. Still scattered snow showers around tomorrow afternoon. It'll be a little bit steadier to the northeast and east of the Susquehanna Valley, but I think we're just basically dealing with some snow showers around. Currently, all our temperatures still above the freezing mark with the exception of to the north and west of Landisburg, of State College at 32 right now, but 37 in Harrisburg, 36 in York, and there is some precipitation west of the Susquehanna River. You see actually a pretty organized area of precipitation from Gettysburg up over towards York in western York County, and it changes over to some wet snow just to the west of Harrisburg now, Carlisle, Mechanicsburg, and then up 322 towards State College. And this is snow that's falling but not necessarily hitting the ground as our ground temperature is just a little bit warmer. But if you're headed out, you still can't rule out a slippery spot in a couple places, so just be cautious. This is part of a larger storm system rotating here out to our west. Notice it's losing some of its energy out here because it's going to transfer some of that energy to the coast, and we're going to get some coastal development. And when this typically happens at this time of year, this type of storm, real hard to predict exactly where that path is going to be, and the path is critical. Some earlier model runs just from a couple hours ago brought some of the heavy precipitation just touching the eastern parts of the Susquehanna Valley. Just looking at some of the more recent computer models, though, it's starting to shift some of that heavier snow a little bit more to the east, so that's good news for our neighbors in New Jersey. But we'll show you what our predictor's thinking here, and we're going to look at a lot of information. Notice the temperatures are on here as well as the precipitation starting in a little bit of time here, close to 1 a.m. So go through the early morning hours, just scattered snow. It doesn't mean it's going to be snowing everywhere here. This just means scattered variety. Notice temperatures close to freezing. So sticking to grassy areas, it's going to have to really do some work to stick to surfaces. It becomes more widespread as we head towards Monday morning. So when you wake up, when you're headed somewhere in the morning, you'll probably be dealing with some snow. But again, give yourself a little bit of extra time. It's going to really have to work to stick to surfaces. But the main part of the action is actually going to happen off to our east. As this breaks up as we start to head through the morning there, notice the snowfall is continuing up towards the Lehigh Valley, up into New Jersey. So if you're headed that way or up towards the Poconos, it's going to spend quite a bit of time precipitating even through towards tomorrow evening. We're here, it's already breaking up by the evening. And again, our temperatures mostly above freezing. Now, when the storm system pulls away, all this moves off the right side of your screen. Our temperatures will drop, but by that time, the precipitation will have ended. And that's going to set us up then for some sunshine on Tuesday. Now, these totals that you see are behind me. This is just one computer model, and this isn't exactly what's going to happen. You know, these are very, very low numbers here, but notice we have more snow off to the north and east. So again, traveling towards Allentown, New Jersey, New York City, that's where the warnings are posted. Just winter weather advisories till tomorrow afternoon, and to the north of us, just to the east of us, continues till early Tuesday morning, and then those winter storm warnings are there as well. So here's what you can expect. Rain showers changing the wet snow gradually from north to the south throughout the overnight, then occasional snow showers tomorrow with nothing more than a grassy accumulation, a little bit more of accumulation to the north and east, and those snow showers will linger to the north and east as well through tomorrow. So I'm making an impact day for travel, but after that we see the sun again on Tuesday and the more seasonal temperatures in the 40s as we head through the rest of the 7 day.
All right, thank you, Matt.
Thank you.